Welcome back to another Zoho Creator video. Today we are integrating the eSSL fingerprint bioserver with Zoho Creator to fetch employee attendance records for a specific day. This will allow us to retrieve attendance data directly from the eSSL system and use it within Zoho Creator for further processing. Let's get started. For this integration, we will use JavaScript to make a SOAP API call. The SOAP protocol allows us to communicate with the eSSL server and fetch real-time attendance data. In our code, we need to include a do-get function, which will handle incoming requests. Below that, we will define a send-SOAP request function to make API calls and retrieve the necessary data. The URL we are using in this demo is a placeholder, meaning it's not the actual server URL. When implementing this in your setup, replace this URL with your eSSL system's server URL to ensure you are connecting to the right database. After successfully writing and executing the code, we need to deploy it as a web app. When deploying, make sure to set access permissions to anyone so that Zoho Creator can access the web app without restrictions. Once deployed, a URL will be generated. This is the web app's public endpoint, which we can use inside Zoho Creator. Simply copy this URL and use it in Zoho Creator's workflows or scripts. By making a GET request to this URL, we can fetch attendance records in real time. The response will be in a structured format, which we can then parse and use within Zoho Creator for reports, automation, or further analysis. With this integration in place, you can easily track and manage employee attendance without manually importing data from the eSSL system. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more Zoho Creator